Good morning and welcome to the Ocean Lakes Elementary School Waverider News. I'm Paisley.
And I'm Jade. Today is Tuesday, January 11th, 2022. It is the 76th day of school.
Today is National Milk Day. Did you know, on average, cows produce 6.3 gallons of milk a day? Milk is an important part of your diet, whether in cereal or just in a glass, unless you want to add some cookies. To learn more, visit nationaltoday.com.
Attention 5th graders who are members of the Battle of the Books teams. We will meet during lunch today in the library. Be sure to bring your books and lunch.
Attention STEM Robotics Club. Our robot kits have finally arrived. Be sure to bring your Chromebook to today's meeting and be ready to start building your team's robot. We still have 5 months to get ready for this year's STEM Robotics Challenge. Let's get to it.
Here's today's birthdays. Happy birthday today to Bentley S. from Miss Burgess' class. We hope you have a great birthday.
Here are today's lunch choices. Yogurt with 2 grains, fresh entree chicken salad, brunch for lunch, hot dog on a bun, grape PB&J or strawberry PB&J.
Now it's time for the weather with Gabe.
Currently under a few clouds, the temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The barometric pressure is 1,031.6 millibars and rising. Winds are coming from the north at 18 miles per hour. The humidity this morning is 47%. In the past 24 hours, we have received no rain at Ocean Lakes. The National Weather Service forecast calls for a sunny and cold day. Today's high temperatures will be 33 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight's low temperature will be 21 degrees Fahrenheit. The 4-day outlook calls for sunny skies tomorrow, partly sunny skies Thursday, mostly sunny and breezy Friday, then partly sunny Saturday with a 50% chance of rain, snow mix in the afternoon and evening. High temperatures will be in the mid-40s to low 50s tomorrow through Friday, then in the upper 30s Saturday. That's all for today's weather. Now back to Paisley and Jade.
Thanks, Gabe. Those are all the announcements for today. I'm Paisley.
And I'm Jade. Have a tremendous Tuesday.